rugged beauty firsthand and encounter one of its early robotic explorers.
The ship is ready for launch, Commander.
Thank you, pilot.
LV, EOS is go.
Confirmed EOS. You are go for main engine start. 3, 2, 1. Liftoff.
We'll be getting clearance from the Lunar Gateway on our way out. The Gateway was our first real step towards deep space exploration. It serves as a staging ground for missions to the Moon's surface and to Mars.
Lunar Gateway, this is EOS.
Contact EOS. You are cleared for Mars.
Course laid in for our planetary neighbor. In the early days of the rover program, this journey used to take about 7 months. Welcome to Mars. The dusty red planet we know today didn't always look this way. A couple billion years ago, Mars was mostly covered in water. The mystery of what happened to Mars water is a big part of what the researchers at the Mars Outpost are studying. If we can understand what caused Mars climate change, we might be able to better care for our own planet. That big gouge in the surface is a canyon called Valles Marineris. It's about 5 times as long and 4 times as deep as Earth's Grand Canyon. We're coming up on Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system. It stands 3 times higher than Mount Everest and is roughly the size of the state of Arizona.
Martian Outpost, this is EOS.
Contact EOS. You are cleared for approach.
Today we'll be visiting one of Mars' pioneer explorers. The Perseverance rover arrived at the planet in the year 2021. Before we had people at the outpost searching for Martian life, rovers were our primary tool to study the planet. They have ranged boldly through this alien landscape to test new technologies and uncover evidence of Mars' warm, wet past,
Do you want to sit down,
including minerals formed in ancient water and the chemicals necessary to support living microbes. Perseverance's mission was to seek signs of ancient life and collect rock and soil samples to be returned to Earth for study. It also arrived with the Ingenuity helicopter, the first test of powered flight on another planet. With each successful test and discovery, Perseverance and Ingenuity brought us closer to getting boots on Martian soil.
Commander, a dust storm appears to be forming over the crater.
Visibility's dropping. We're going to stay low to avoid any damage to our heat shields. Martian dust storms pose a real problem for equipment like solar panels. A planet-wide storm caused the demise of the Steadfast Opportunity rover back in 2018. But now, it's time to make the journey back home. To a world still lush with water and life.
EOS, Mission Control. Welcome back. Your approach is free of arriving traffic. Cleared for landing on LC-73.
EOS copy.
EOS, hold for disengagement from flight position.
EOS holding.
From the time humanity first spied that fiery orb tracking across the heavens, we've been fascinated by our red neighbor. Whether we're exploring remotely via rovers or in person at the outpost, the exploration of Mars is full of exciting possibilities.
Welcome back to Earth. Unfasten your seatbelt.